Hello everyone, today we are going to do an activity elephant balloon craft. So let's start with it.
So now we are going to start with balloon elephant craft activity. For this, material required are latex balloons of any color, colored cardstock, scissors, glue stick or fevicol, wiggle eyes. Some sort of glitter, stickers, stones are optional. Now the procedure. Take a cardstock paper and cut out a set of ears of an elephant. Next, take a balloon and glue it at the center of the ear cutting to make a trunk. Now, paste the wiggle eyes in front of the balloon. And decorate the ears with some glitter stickers or stones. Balloons are not just used for decoration in the party, they can be used for different craft activities. It will provide kids to explore creativity and build their interest in the activity. We will teach kids how to make a cute elephant with the help of a balloon. You can repeat this activity with different color balloons. Like here we have taken blue color balloon, orange color balloon and pink color balloon. Hope you like this activity. Thank you so much.